Hello. The topic for this video is multiplying and dividing integers. Integers are numbers, both positive and negative, and the rules for multiplying and dividing them are different than the rules for adding and subtracting, so make sure you feel comfortable with both. Remember that the basic facts of multiplying and dividing are always the same. 5 times 3 will always equal 15. The signs might be different, but the numbers are going to stay the same. If both of your individual numbers have the same sign, then you will get a positive answer when you multiply or divide. If you have different signs, one positive and one negative, then you will get a negative answer every time you multiply and divide. Let's look at some fact families to help this make a little more sense. In each case, we're multiplying 3 times 7. So the number part of the answer will always be 21. Here we have two positives, positive 3 times positive 7. And here we have two negatives, negative 3 times negative 7. As long as the signs are the same, the answer will be positive. Here in the middle, we have different signs, a negative 3 and a positive 7, or a positive 3 and a negative 7. In each case, the answer will be negative 21. This remains true with any fact family you're working with. Many students confuse the rules for adding and subtracting integers with the rules for multiplying and dividing, and it makes them question their multiplication or division answer. Anytime you are multiplying 2 and 6, the number part of your answer will always be 12. Then look at the signs. If they're both positive or both negative, as long as they're both the same, then you have a positive answer. Anytime you have mixed signs, one positive, one negative, that's when you get a negative answer. The same will be true for division. 10 divided by 2 is always going to give you the number 5. Take a look at the signs so that you know when your answer will be positive. It's when both signs are the same. And if you have mixed signs, these two have opposite signs. Then your answer is a negative number. Try these on your own. You should be familiar enough with your basic facts for multiplying and dividing that you can focus on the signs. If not, spend a little time brushing up on those basic facts so that the multiplying and dividing is easier for you. Pause the video, come back when you're ready to check your work. Let's see how you did. Hopefully, your multiplication and division facts are stuck well enough in your head that you can look at the 4 and the 9 and know that the answer is 36. Then you can focus on the fact that you have a positive times a negative, so you have a negative answer. The only answer here that's positive is this one, because both the 25 and the 5 are negative. Anytime you have the same signs, you will multiply or divide to a positive answer. If your answers don't match the ones here, then pay close attention to the signs when you're doing your homework and taking a test. You've already learned the rules for adding and subtracting integers. They are entirely different than the rules for multiplying and dividing, so keep them separate in your mind. Remember that your basic facts are never going to change, so you're not learning any new multiplication or division. This is what you're learning. If you have the same sign, either positive or negative, you will have a positive answer. And anytime you have different signs, one positive and one negative, then you will have a negative answer. Send us your questions and comments through the Contact Us page on the website. Good luck.